Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to do account assignment. There are different ways to do account assignments. So one you can do with FB50, the other one is FKMT. You can make a template there, then you can execute in F-02 or FB01, and this is only for the technical names for the report fetching things, O7E3. So we start with FB50. So just make a journal entry. Reference you can write. So this is for the template, like you can make once a template and may use it number of times. So I'm not entering any amount. You can enter it. You can make template with amount or without amount. So any account number of accounts you can use. So then go to account assignment, save account assignment. It just gives you the warning as it is the previous year down there. Just enter it. Account assignment template. So you can see that it is saved. So now we can come anytime in the year or in the month, find this template, enter it. So this one is our template. So automatically data will be populated, accounts will be populated without amount. If you enter it amount in the first step, then this template fetch the template with the amount. So this is one way to doing this. The other way is FKMT. So you can make a template here, like we can make it 2022 10. Great. Select your chart of account. So now go to line items. 40 is for the debit. If you want to see, go there. 40. They are different. You can choose any of them. So 40 is the debit and 50 is the credit entry. Again, your company code, GL account, any GL account you want to use. it is not picking my chart of account. See, the chart of account is different. And cost, business, whatever you want to add it. And this time you can add a amount in the template. 50 is for the credit. Okay, it is not picking it. So now save it. See, the message account assignment model was saved. Okay. FKMT. See, this is our template. So it is now saved. So now we will go to F-02. No, you just select from here account model. It's just giving you the warning that it is in the previous year. So just enter it. These are all the templates which we made. So just select your template. So it will automatically open it. Update. You will save it. See, the message comes. Document 10 was posted in the company code. This. Now we're going to check FB03. The same. This is the entry which we made with the account assignment. So you can see debit supplies, credit this and this. So this is how the account assignment works, and same with the FB01 /n FB01. Here is again this option account model. You can open it. Just put the date. It gives you the essays for the general ledger. It gives you the warning. Yeah, all templates will come here. Okay. So last thing, just to show you the technical names, O7E3. So these are the technical names. You can see that. See, this is the technical name of the field posting key activity. This is the accounting name or front end names, and if you click this, it will give you the technical names for some alteration for report purpose. So these are the field names. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video.